Close the IP configuration window by clicking on the X.
Good day, I'm Remy Sanchez with IT2A, subject network basic. This video are discussing
Step 2, verify connectivity.
1.7.1
Click
discuss integration
PC1.
challenge introduction to packet tracer. Learning objectives, explore packet tracer real-time mode, explore the logical workspace, explore packet tracer operation, connect devices, examine a device configuration, review the standard lab setup or review of the devices. Background, the simulators that is used in this course is Packet Tracer. The Packet Tracer provides a rich set of protocols, equipments, and features, but only a fraction of what was possible with real equipment.
32 bytes of data. Request schedule.
At the bottom of this instruction are two buttons. Check result, which give you feedback on how much of the activity you have completed. And reset activity, which starts the activity over if you want to clear your work or gain more practice. Reset activity. Okay.
What is the output?
Task 1, explore the PT interface. Step 1, logical workspace. When Packet Tracer starts, it presents a logical view of the network in real-time mode. The main part of the PT interface is the logical workplace. This is the large area where devices are placed and connected. Step 2, symbols navigation. The lower left portion of the PT interface below the yellow bar is the portion of the interface that you use to select and place device into the logical workplace. The first box in the lower left contains symbols that represent groups of devices. As you move the mouse pointer over these symbols, the name of the group appears in the text box in the center. When you click one of these symbols, specific devices into the group appears in the box to the right. As you point to the specific devices, a description of the device appears in the text box below the specific devices. Click on each of the groups and study the various devices that are available under symbols. Task 2, explore PT operation. Step 1, connect the devices using auto connect. Click on the connection group symbols. The specific connection symbols provide different cable types that can be used to connect devices. The first is a specific type. The gold lightning bolt will automatically select the connection type based on the interface available on the devices. When you click on the symbols, the pointer resembles a cable connector. To connect two devices, click the auto connection symbols, click the first device, and then click the second device. Using the auto connection symbols, make the following connection. Connect the Eagle server to the R1 to ISP router. To connect PC PT1A to the is1 central switch. Step 2, examine device configuration which a mouse over. Move your mouse over the devices found in the logical workplace. As you move the mouse pointer over the symbols, the device configuration appears in a text box. 1. A router will display port configuration information including IP address, port status, and MAC address. A server will display IP address, MAC address, and gateway information. Switch will display port configuration information including IP address, MAC address, port status, and VLAN membership for a PC. Will display IP address, MAC address, and gateway information. Step 3. Examine devices configuration. Left mouse click on each device type found in the logical workplace to view the device configuration. Number 1. Router and switch devices. Router. The physical tab displays the physical components of the device, such as modules. New modules can also be added using this tab. Config. The config tab displays the general configuration information, such as device name. CLI allows the user to configure the device using the command line interface. 2. Server and hub devices.
I'm Gina Lumisa, all discussing activity 2.6.1.
Physical tab displays components of the device, such as ports. New modules can also be added using this tab. Config. The tabs display the general information, such as device name. 3. PC devices contain the 3 tabs. These tabs are physical, config, and desktop.
It is important to have a clear understanding of which keyboard
PC devices. Physical tab displays components of the device. New modules can also be added using this tab. Config. The tab displays the device name, IP address, subnet, MAC, DNS, and gateway information. Desktop. The tab allows the user to configure IP address, subnet, MAC, default gateway, DNS server, dial-up, and wireless. A terminal emulator, the command prompt, and a simulated web browser can also be accessed using the desktop tab. Taxware review the standard lab setup. Step 1. Overview of the devices. The standard lab setup will consist of 2 routers, 1 switch, 1 server, and 2 PC. Which of these devices will be pre-configured with such information as device name, IP addresses, gateways, and connections.
Task 3. Configure address and test. Step 1. Apply a layer to address to the workstation. To complete this task, you need to follow the step-by-step instruction below.
Type.
Click the PC you want to assign an address.
IP.
Click the desktop tab. Click the IP configuration in IP address bar.
Config.
Enter the IP address 19. Enter 192.168.1.2 for PC1.
Check
Enter
result.
the IP address into. Press the tab
Check
key
result.
and subnet mask. Automatically enter. The subnet address should be 255.255.0. If there is not automatically entered.